Good evening. I'm Chanel, Vehicle Title Expert. Thank you for tuning in and thank you in advance for subscribing. Tonight, I will continue with the series Mechanic, Storage, and Tollings in Abandoned Vehicles. And tonight, I want to talk to all of you out there who may have fallen behind on your car note. Maybe your lien holder is threatening to repossess your vehicle. So, if you're trying to escape your lien holder, some of you have taken your vehicle to the repair shop with the hopes of giving yourself a safety net, maybe to buy yourself some time. Okay. And let me just share, if you're doing that or thinking about doing that, please do not get into this situation, because what can happen is it may not work out the way that you had anticipated. It may not work out in your favor. And I will explain. So for those of you who are not aware of the mechanic storage lien process, one of the key things or one of the key factors that happens is that the owner on record and or the lien holder, if there's a lien, the lien holder will be notified, and the parties have X amount of time to come forward. So if you have a lien on the vehicle and you're in this situation, the lien holder can come forward if they have an interest in that vehicle, and they can remove it. They can take the vehicle from the mechanic. Okay. Also, the mechanic can, if they want to, they can get a title for the vehicle if the lien holder does not come forward. Okay. So in either case, you still risk losing that vehicle. Okay. Maybe from the beginning, you gave the mechanic some sort of story to keep the vehicle there, whatever. And, now the mechanic has grown antsy. They have grown annoyed because your vehicle is sitting on their property, taking up space. So again, they can still file that mechanic storage or tolling on that vehicle as such. Okay, so now you're in a situation where you can still lose your vehicle, in either case, from the mechanic or from the lien holder. Okay, so I just wanted to share this little piece of information with you guys. I know it sounds strange, but it happens a lot. I do process mechanic liens. I do a lot of mechanic liens, and from time to time, I do see this type of situation to pop up. So I want y'all to be aware. And before you get into the situation here, really count the costs, really think about it, because again, you could still end up losing that vehicle. Okay, so taking it to the mechanic shop, trying to hide the vehicle there, may not work out for you. If you are in this type of situation, you need more guidance, you need some tips pertaining to this segment on tonight, or maybe you want to share your experience, feel free to drop me a line below or visit me at wisdomandauthority.com. Thank you for tuning in. Please click share and subscribe. I hope to hear from you soon.